Hello and welcome to the next video. In this video, we will be talking about no reach equals no growth. And I talked about this in the Instagram module, but I want to talk about it again in this Facebook module. So Facebook is a business. We shouldn't be forgetting that. And what a business wants, it wants money. It wants profit. So basically what Facebook did was they reduced the reach of every Facebook page as much as they could. So Facebook pages are basically obligated to create ads and to use advertisements on Facebook if they actually want to grow. So reduced reach equals no growth, which means no shares, no likes, no comments, and no growth equals no progress, which equals no money. And in the end, basically that creates a lot of pain for everybody that has a Facebook page. So now they decide, okay, I will spend some money in order to grow my page. And people want to grow their business, so they decide, well, I guess I have to use a lot of money to grow. Well, not a lot of money, but basically this creates a lot of pain for everybody that owns a Facebook page, and that pain causes them to think to themselves, okay, then Facebook reduced my reach again, so I probably have to start using advertisements if I want my business to grow. So that's how Facebook makes money. But we are going to play the game. We are going to use money, and we're going to play the game the way Facebook wants us to play the game. So basically, we're going to be using Facebook ads to grow as fast as possible. I'm going to show you the secret Facebook page growth tactic. I call it the Lightspeed method. And then we're going to convert those people that have liked our page. We're going to convert them into buyers, but it's not what you think. We're not going to do it the way you probably think we're going to do it. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to play the game that Facebook wants us to play, and we're going to use ads to our advantage. So meet me in the next video, and I'll be showing you how to grow from 0 to 5,000 likes overnight.